You guys all right?
Yeah, we got the ambulance on the way.
All right. Happened here, huh?
I'm sorry, yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Fixated.
That's one of my worst corners here, man.
Is it really?
I hate that corner.
That's an easy corner, man.
Why? It sneaks up on you.
Yeah, does it?
It's because you just don't know how tight it is until you get to it.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I've almost crashed to that corner 3 or 4 times.
Really?
Yeah, trying to learn this canyon. So,
Yeah.
all right, I hope you're going to be okay. At least you're up, so you'll be fine. But it takes them a while to get here, so...
Yeah, we called them about maybe 15 minutes ago, so...
Yeah, all right.
Soon.
And unfortunately, the tow truck situation is hours away. So,
hours?
Hours, man.
One of us has to stay here.
Yeah, so...
You're not in.
All right.
All right. Why these hours away? Tow truck.
All right, take care.
Good luck.
All right, thank you.